What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video of me doing stuff with my car. I ordered this off eBay. This is just stuff that I don't have to really read. It's self-explanatory. So we're gonna find out if well, I'm pretty sure I don't have to mod anything because mine's a 06 and up. So the older ones, you gotta do some shit. So let's find out, shall we? So, behold, we are inside the back of my car. So I popped this off. Pretty easy. See these two tabs here or down there? Just get a flathead. There are people who made it more complicated and they tore up the underside here to get through here, which is really stupid. So, let's see. Let's just see where the old one is. Okay, so here's the connector, right? And all this crap. It shouldn't, well, the sound insulation shit, so we'll be back. Alright, as you can see, I finally got this OEM trash out of here. So these little plastic bits is actually some type of dried up glue. So you could see here, the green circles. Well, I couldn't really pop them off, so I just used one of these, you know, to grab them and like get them to the point where they broke off. Thus removing this from this housing. And now I will show you what this looks like on here. Okay, so here we are. I got it on. Now the thing is, this doesn't, it fits, but compared to the OEM, you see the OEM has a bunch of these metal holes to go flush in with a couple little plastic things right there. Sorry for my terminology. That pop up, but it's fine because it sits perfectly because of these two screws here. Bam, that screw and that screw, that's it. And now we shall put it in the housing and test this sucker. Okay, so got it snapped back in the housing, and if you're curious how to get it on and off, well, it's easy. See these two tabs that you push down, bam, right there, and then, you know, it's hooked onto these and it latches out. So pretty much the same thing. When you close it, it's just it's simple snap in, easy. It's nothing special, you know. If you've played with toys in your life, put some batteries or just anything you open up, same deal. Okay, so it's dark because we really want to see if that works and if it's bright. And I already tested it out, so I just want to show you guys on camera. Boom! What's up, player haters? DIY. Very easy install. I think it might be brighter than the OEM one, so yeah.
트로피카나 복숭아망고 뚝뚝뚝뚝 트로피카나 복숭아망고 뚝뚝뚝